Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to simplify algebraic fractions. This question is from 2025 IGCSE Exam paper. So here is our question for today. This is a 3-mark GCSE exam question. And if you look at the denominators, they are all different. So we first need to find the LCM of 4, 8, and 12. We can find LCM of 4, 8, and 12 using division method. Divide those numbers by 4, we get 1, 2, and 3. Multiply those results to get LCM. Then the LCM is 24. Now let's rewrite each fraction so that they all have the same denominator, which is 24. To turn 4 into 24, we have to multiply by 6. So we should multiply the numerator as well to get 6x. And for the second fraction to turn 8 into 24, we should multiply by 3. Then multiply 3 to the numerator to get 9x. And for the last fraction, to turn 12 into 24, we should multiply by 2. When you multiply 2 to the numerator part, don't forget the bracket. So here are the fractions that we make it into the common denominator, which is 24. Now let's rewrite the fractions with the same denominator. 6x over 24 plus 9x over 24 minus 2 to the bracket x plus 2 over 24. Now let's combine those 3 fractions into one single fraction and write 24 on the bottom. So 6x plus 9x and bring the minus sign all together. So minus 2 bracket x plus 2. So remember to use the bracket when multiplying the last numerator. Now let's try to expand the bracket to have 6x plus 9x minus 2x minus 4 over 24. Then combine the like terms to have 13x minus 4 over 24. So this is our final simplified answer for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.